A woman sat on her boyfriend's toilet for so long that her body was stuck to the seat. Pam Babcock's boyfriend insists it was her decision to stay in there, saying she had a phobia about leaving the bathroom.
She has a fear of coming out. Most of her fear from coming out is her relatives. She don't want to see them. She's afraid if she comes out, she will see them. Corey
McFerrin tells the AP he finally called police after he became worried because his girlfriend was acting groggy. When officials arrived, they had to pry the toilet seat off her with a pry bar.
We had to break the toilet seat away from the stool and take her in with the toilet seat stuck to her.
Babcock's boyfriend says he's been taking care of her and insists the two had a normal relationship, except it all happened in the bathroom.
I told her whether she walks or rolls out of that hospital, she's going to be home with me and I'm going to take care of her.
Babcock has an infection in her legs that has damaged her nerves, and she may wind up in a wheelchair. The couple has been together for 16 years, but investigators are considering charges against McFerrin for not getting his girlfriend help sooner. Ed Donahue, The Associated Press.